And then McDonald trend was social media. So follow the commenter. What about the Ghana Premier League? My mom for whom say what for Ghana Premier League, you know, the HQ form. But fair. And no and Super OBONDEDE sports journalist reacting. And fantastic Pkay, or also a sports journalist. Or Mumi particularly or my reply, the businessman about the commenter about the Ghana Premier League. I also say Ghana League, you know. A league time. Ghana League, you know, a gambling league. Into gambling league, a cha-cha league, you know. Or no McDan as a businessman or no run a flight a hold one. And ya the ordinary sika, a babesha league tan. Ye cha-cha uma onye. Fantastic Pkay to be a man, no. I reply no. Super OBONDEDE so I reply no. But before that, McDan and Sema Okai, no. Yenko he. Or say, I can't sponsor a gambling league, McDan on the Ghana Premier League. I would have sponsored the Ghana Premier League, but the gambling is too much. That's why your players don't go anywhere. Let's try and sanitize the Ghana football. McDan, CEO of McDan Group of Companies, said on Asempa FM. Or say, Ghana League, you know, lalai, untimi sponsor league, a cha-cha league. Or say, Nkobe sponsor, but the gambling no too much. Enuntina Ghana players no mobile league no omuntimi nkobe bia no. Asema okokan yi na a trigger Pkay ama Pkay so ebe reply no in this post. Pkay nsema odi tu dware say michiri aburo enso medi banku. Are they not part of the gambling league? Pkay ebusa. Na one say McDan senior man oda so ye Great Olympics player, ex-player Razak Kasim on has 4 open bus so far go say McDan and a good attire in any so into McDan no on sponsor Great Olympics so and a Pkay bukase na uchiri a bruzu di banku o kase Ghana Premier League no league 10 time chacha league no o McDan Group of Company no and now the sponsor Great Olympics our relegation no Great Olympics so amount for say allege omo de into no baby a wo ka asem league na episode de ni twitwi for man ase dem and na Super OBONDEDE so be chro o say you don't throw stones when you live in a glass house and also find the same photo Pkay use you know which is McDan and ya chrogu Great Olympics this year ehye Razak Kasim no and na also e de kan asem say McDan uti glass house mean throw stones Great Olympics now sponsor no omo relegation Ghana League na omo bo nti adinti na wayi enu asi nche na obeka say Ghana League na cha-cha league but meanwhile now sponsor Great Olympics I would also sponsor nti pa kire sen senior citizens and social media no so aye she but akoma emra from Ghana League no ya de